The holidays are a time for joy, family, and celebration. It's a season filled with warmth, love, and the magic of togetherness. Families come together to create lasting memories, sharing laughter and stories that will be cherished for years to come. But they can also be a time of significant spending. The excitement of finding the perfect gift, the allure of festive decorations, and the joy of hosting grand celebrations can all contribute to a hefty holiday bill. From gifts and decorations to travel and entertaining, the costs can quickly add up. The pressure to make the holidays special can lead to overspending, and before you know it, you're facing a mountain of expenses. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and overspend, leaving you with a financial hangover in the new year. The joy of the season can quickly turn into stress and anxiety as the bills start to pile up. That's why it's crucial to approach holiday spending with a plan. By setting a budget and sticking to it, you can enjoy the festivities without the financial strain. Planning ahead allows you to make thoughtful decisions about your spending. By taking a proactive approach to managing your finances during the holiday season, you can enjoy all the festivities without breaking the bank. Simple, heartfelt celebrations can be just as meaningful and memorable as extravagant ones. This guide will equip you with practical tips and strategies to budget smarter, shop savvier, and protect yourself from scams, allowing you to truly savor the spirit of the season. From finding the best deals to avoiding common financial pitfalls, we've got you covered. Remember, the most meaningful gifts aren't found in extravagant purchases, but in the moments of connection and shared experiences with loved ones. The joy of giving and receiving comes from the heart, not the price tag. By prioritizing thoughtful spending and financial well-being, you can create a joyful and memorable holiday season for yourself and your family. Focus on what truly matters, the love, laughter, and togetherness that make the holidays special. Let's get started on making this your most financially sound holiday season yet. With a little planning and mindfulness, you can enjoy all the magic of the holidays without the stress of overspending. Here's to a season filled with joy, love, and financial peace of mind. The first step to holiday spending success is creating a realistic budget. This means taking a close look at your finances and understanding your income and expenses. It's crucial to determine how much you can afford to spend without derailing your financial goals. Consider your monthly bills, savings goals, and any debt repayments you need to make. Start by making a list of all your holiday expenses. Include everything from gifts and decorations to travel, food, and charitable donations. Think about every possible expense, no matter how small. This comprehensive list will help you see the bigger picture and ensure you don't miss anything. Remember, even small expenses can add up quickly. Next, set spending limits for each category. Be honest with yourself about what you can afford. It's better to set conservative limits and have money left over than to overspend and regret it later. Be realistic about what you can afford and stick to your limits. It might be tempting to splurge, but staying within your budget will help you avoid financial stress. Don't forget to factor in unexpected expenses that may pop up. These could be last-minute gifts, emergency travel, or even higher-than-expected utility bills. Track your spending throughout the season to make sure you stay on budget. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. Regularly updating your budget will help you stay on track. Keeping a close eye on your spending will help you make adjustments as needed. If you overspend in one category, you can cut back in another to balance things out. Remember, a well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial peace during the holidays. It empowers you to make conscious spending choices and avoid overspending regrets. By planning ahead and sticking to your budget, you can enjoy the holiday season without the stress of financial worries. Happy budgeting and happy holidays! Now that you have a budget, it's time to become a savvy holiday shopper. One of the best ways to save money is to take advantage of sales and discounts. Sign up for email alerts from your favorite retailers so you don't miss out on any deals. Consider buying in bulk for items you use frequently, like wrapping paper or holiday treats. This can often lead to significant savings. Get creative with DIY gifts. Homemade presents are not only thoughtful but also easy on the wallet. Think about baking cookies, creating personalized ornaments, or crafting handmade candles. Remember, thoughtful gifts don't have to break the bank. Unfortunately, the holiday season can also be a prime time for scammers. As we get caught up in the festive spirit, it's easy to let our guard down. Scammers know this and take advantage of our generosity and distraction. Be wary of fake websites and online deals that seem too good to be true. These sites often mimic legitimate retailers, making it hard to tell the difference at first glance. Always double-check the URL and look for secure payment options like HTTPS. The lock icon in the URL bar is a good indicator that the site is secure. Be cautious of phishing emails or texts that appear to be from legitimate retailers or organizations. These messages often contain links that lead to fake websites designed to steal your information. Never click on suspicious links or provide personal information unless you're sure of the source. If something feels off, trust your instincts and verify the sender's authenticity. When shopping online, use a credit card instead of a debit card for an extra layer of security. Credit cards offer better fraud protection and can help you dispute unauthorized charges more easily. Credit cards offer better fraud protection if your information is compromised. They also provide a buffer between scammers and your bank account. Research charities before making donations. Scammers often create fake charities to exploit your goodwill during the holiday season. Ensure the organization is legitimate and that your contribution will be used as intended. Look for reviews and ratings, and check if the charity is registered with official organizations. Section 5. Stress-free celebrations, prioritizing well-being during the holidays. The holidays can be a joyous time, but they can also be, well, stressful. To ensure you enjoy the season to the fullest, it's essential to prioritize your well-being. Set realistic expectations for the holidays. It's okay to say no to commitments that will overwhelm you. Remember, it's your holiday too. Focus on experiences rather than material possessions. Spending quality time with loved ones and creating lasting memories is far more valuable than any gift. Make time for self-care. Whether it's a relaxing bath, a walk in nature, or simply curling up with a good book, prioritize activities that bring you joy and help you de-stress. Section 6. The gift of giving, spreading joy without overspending. Gift giving is a wonderful way to show loved ones you care, but it doesn't have to drain your bank account. Consider setting spending limits for each person on your list. This will help you stay within your budget and prevent overspending. Suggest a Secret Santa gift exchange with family or friends. This way, you only need to buy one gift, making it more affordable for everyone. Get creative with homemade gifts. Baked goods, personalized ornaments, or crafted items show thoughtfulness and won't break the bank. Remember, the true spirit of giving lies in the thought behind the gift, not its monetary value. Section 7. Tech tools for holiday finance. Keeping track has never been easier. In today's digital age, numerous tech tools and apps can help you manage your holiday finances effortlessly. Budgeting apps like Mint, Waynab, You Need a Budget, or Every Dollar can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and stick to your budget throughout the holiday season. Shopping apps like Honey or Rakuten automatically find and apply coupons and cashback offers while you shop online, saving you money on your holiday purchases. Price comparison websites such as Google Shopping or PriceRunner allow you to compare prices from multiple retailers, ensuring you get the best deals on your holiday gifts. Section 8. Beyond the holidays, maintaining financial health year-round. While it's essential to manage your finances wisely during the holidays, it's equally crucial to maintain healthy financial habits year-round. Review your holiday spending and identify areas where you can improve next year. Were there any unnecessary expenses you can cut back on? Create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals and stick to it. Start saving for next year's holidays early. Even small, regular contributions can add up significantly over time. Remember, financial well-being is an ongoing journey, not a destination. By adopting responsible financial habits, you can enjoy peace of mind and financial freedom all year round. Section 9. Conclusion. Enjoy the season, not the debt. The holidays are a time for joy, connection, and celebration. By following these practical tips, you can navigate the season without overspending and enjoy a financially stress-free new year. Remember to budget wisely, shop smart, protect yourself from scams, and prioritize your well-being. Most importantly, focus on creating meaningful memories with loved ones, because those are the gifts that truly matter. Happy holidays!